Welcome to my crib.
Ooh.
They have cold towels.
That's pretty cool.
That's really cool.
You have a bench. Bench. Dumbbells. Bench.
You want to do push? Or do you want a deadlift? There's like legit bars. This is gonna be a really good workout.
Okay.
We can do pull, push, legs.
Pull today.
Yeah. If we go with our normal split. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Let's go. Let's get it.
Let's go. Cold wipes, water, and apples.
A little snack. Are we going to infinity pool?
Yes, so we are going to the pool, but I want to change. I want to go inside. I want to go in the pool. Back at the room now.
We forgot to show you the curtains opening again.
Oh yeah, they open every time we put our key card in, so I guess they close every time we leave, which is pretty cool. So we are gonna have a little snack, and then we're gonna go to the pool. We got the protein bar, because protein. Yep.
They had muscle milk at the gym for like $13. It was
I'm good.
like a small little thing.
We have our own stuff, and then some honey nuts, honey butter almond from Korea.
Well, I'm
Little
better than you would
snackies.
think. Honey and butter, bomb.
Bomb. If I can get it open.
You even lift, bro? Grr.
Yeah, my teeth do. To the itty bitty almonds.
Wow.
Nuts. Here you go.
Wow. Actually really good.
Mm-hmm. They're really good.
The butter kind of sneaks up on you.
Mm-hmm. So we're gonna finish up our snackies, and then we're gonna go to the pool. Don't know if we're gonna bring you guys with us yet, because we don't have anything waterproof.
Yeah, like we said at the beginning of this travel series, we moved. The good thing about GoPro is that it's itty bitty and it's waterproof. The bad thing about GoPro is that it's itty bitty and losable. So in the move, we kind of lost it.
It's somewhere. We just gotta find it. See you guys at the pool.
We made it.
Good.
To the infinity pool. Look at that view,
It's like a bunch of like jacuzzis everywhere too.
And guess what? She brought sandals, slippers. I did it. Oh. Look at that.
Nah, you messed up. Where did we get towels?
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Look at that view. We're gonna get in the pool.
Okay. Ooh.
All you have to do is get the nips in, you're good.
It's not even cold. What are you talking about?
It's cooler than the nips would recommend.
It's cold. You better dry them off, which is gonna be really hard because it's so humid. But check this view out though. Oh man, it's so nice. It's so nice.
Look at that lady. You can't see her because it's black, but look at that. Ooh.
You can lighten it up.
And then look at the butt. Ooh.
This is so nice. This is so worth it. So if you ever come to Singapore, at least do one night at Marina Bay Sands because it's really, really nice.
This is the infinity pool.
Yeah.
The quintessential.
So it starts right there, and then it goes all the way. If you can see the red lights over there, it goes all the way over there.
Right there.
Like I can't with this. I can't.
We're actually going to.
You're dark.
I'm dark.
Here,
Here, better.
Yeah,
How
there we
better?
go.
So we're actually going to put you guys away
And enjoy this.
and
Well, we might
enjoy.
take some pictures first at MK_let's_go. No shade.
Okay, well, for more pictures like that, go there. But we will talk to you guys when we are back where we need to be for the next part. I don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, we don't know what we're doing.
Eat? Eat.
Probably eat.
Okay, let's eat. See
At
ya.
MK, let's eat.
Oh my god.
Instagram.
Alright, we're gonna enjoy.
Let me see. Oh, hello.
I'm drying my hands off.
That's pretty though. With the pool. Ooh.
Toast box.
Post box.
Alright, so we just got done showering. That's why my hair is like this. The pool was amazing.
Well, it was so nice. We're gonna be there every day, like
Three times a day.
Yeah.
And we went to this place called Toast Box, which is, I'm assuming it's a breakfast place.
Cafe.
What they do have for dinner is breakfast. This is a traditional Singaporean's breakfast. Consists of a cup of Nanyang coffee, kaya toast, half-boiled eggs, emphasis on the half.
Because there's a certain way that they eat it. We'll show you in a second. So eggless.
Are cooked in freshly boiled water to achieve that desirable consistency of just set egg white with a glorious runny yolk. And they have instructions on how to enjoy half-boiled eggs.
So we're gonna eat it like that.
Step 1 is gently crack the eggs into the dish.
It's a really hard egg. It's really runny in there.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Okay. Add a few drops of soya sauce. Soya sauce. And dash of white pepper.
Some pepper. And soya sauce.
Soya sauce.
Is there a difference?
One of them might be vinegar, one of them might be soy sauce.
And then they say to mix it well. Ooh, look at this.
Then dip some toast into it or slurp up the eggy goodness. Maybe we should try this.
By itself?
Yeah. I don't even know what's inside of it.
I forget what they put. Oh, jam. There's jam. Jam, I think butter. Ooh, it's actually pretty good. I think it might be honey. You might need to try it and clarify. Oh, you drip.
Whatever it is, it's delicious. I think it is honey. Honey jam. It's gonna be an interesting combination. That's good. I want more. Good.
You should have ordered our own.
I know. It's so good. Dude, the pepper comes out a lot. So it's pretty much when you mix it like the way that I did it, instead of like dipping it, kind of just eat the egg first to get the nice salty, peppery part of the egg yolk, and then when all the egg is gone, you get the crunchy sweet of the honey butter toast. Okay, well, we're gonna eat. So, enjoy breakfast. Or dinner?
Dinner. It's like 10 o'clock at night right now.
So, breakfast and lunch is brunch, so what's breakfast and dinner?
Dinner.
Breakfast and dinner. Brenner.
I want dip. Even though I can't get a lot out of it. That's really good. That's really good.
Does the pepper come out?
Not really. I might need more, but I thought I put a lot in here. I got pepper now. Ooh, that's good. That is really good. I could have had that by myself. Is that a reflection? I don't know, I'm confused.
There's a water taxi.
I can tell. Is it inside or outside?
Ooh, that's nice.
That's really cool.